Hello guys, welcome to the Sleeping Owl channel, and today we will discuss about how to increase the EPMV using my method, and also what Ezoic tells you what to do when your EPMV drops or have been low down, or what are the causing factors of these, and how to regain that EPMV, or at least maintain the EPMV. Okay, so EPMV is every 1000 views you get what amount you get. Okay, so we will discuss that one by one, but first these are my methods. Okay, so it will help you, those who are not with Ezoic and will apply in future, they will get also help. And those who are asking comment, thank you guys for commenting. I reply to all the comments you guys did and help you guys all I can do. Okay, so this time also I am making this video to make sure you guys get a good EPMV. Okay, so let's start. The first method you need to do is, if you have the data of 30 days and some traffic, like every day you have at least 100 visitors per day, or your one article, at least your one article has 100 page views or 50 page views. Okay, depending on this, so you need to go to the big data analytics. Here it is, analytics data. You need to go to this area. Okay, this is the big data analytics icon. You need to go there, and then you need to click on content and pages. Okay, so it will show you all the pages. You need to then filter it and choose 30 days data. Okay, and run a report. You need to run report many times here. Okay, to refresh it. So 30 days after selecting 30 days, you need to run the report. And now what you will do is, you need to add a filter, right? If your articles, or if your articles has at least 50 page views, or every article or most articles have 50 page or 100 page views, right? So you need to add filter, include page views greater than is equals to 100. I selected 100 because my many article get 100 page views, so I selected this amount. Okay, so you need to maybe you have 50, or maybe you have 200 or 500 page views, so you need to select this here. Okay, and then click on apply, and then it will show you all the pages. It will show you all the pages that has over 100 page views. Okay, over 100 page views, right? So I have added filter pages. In pages I have added filter, and you can see now in that side I have hide the pages. Here you will see see all the pages, right? We are on a tab where we can see the pages. So here you will see all the pages with page views and with page RPM, right? You need to see all the pages with its RPM. This RPM icon, tab or column, will be at the last. You can drag and drop it in the front, in the left side. Okay, so here in here I have all the pages, page views and page RPM. So I can check now that which pages are getting most good EPMV and which are not getting EPMV. So I will write content more on those topics, and also write on low competition keywords also. Okay, new topics on that article, or that surrounding of that article. Okay, similar to that keyword or that article. Okay, so and example would be a dog breed, like bulldog. Okay, so you need to write more content on bulldogs. Okay, all the content you can write, so you get high EPMV on this, on that. Okay, so you also need to click here, like click here, it's the arrows, or just click here. It will just first it will show like this. So to arrange this in higher order, you need to click here. So it will show like this. The higher EPMV would be at the top and the lower would be at the bottom. Okay, so this is how you will find the content which has more or high EPMV. Okay, so write content around it. Okay, secondly, you need to go to video ads. If you have this icon unlocked, then enable this option and add video ads to all your pages. Yes, it will give you additional $1, so don't worry about the other thing. Just add this video player in every article, or just you have another option to add it in all articles. Okay, so add this video ads. Okay, and you can add it just after 4 paragraphs, or third or fourth para, or after the heading of second para. Okay, second heading you can also add this. Okay, I enable this, I apply this in second para, just above, just below the second H1 tag. Okay, second H1 tag, remember. So I will show you how much it is giving me, at least giving me $1 or 1.42, or okay, at least giving me $1. So it is an increase in $1, so it is good. You can you can add this to your all the pages, or just there is a way also you can check that how to enable these video ads to all the pages. You don't need to do one by one to each page. Okay, also you need to make a video first, upload a video, and then use that Xoix extension to set the placeholder of video ads. Okay, this is the second method I'm telling you. Thirdly, third method would be this one. Like, this is the Xoix way to tell you what to do if your traffic is low, or what are the factor causing low traffic or high traffic. Okay, so as you know that higher traffic is always higher earning, right? But if there is a bad traffic, then it will impact, it will give lower earnings. Okay, so I have selected here, you can see this. What I am telling you is, focus your content should be focused on desktop users, more desktop user than mobile users. Okay, so what you can do is go to Google Console and select the 29 days, last 29 days data. Go to countries, select USA. Okay, so USA is because USA has the highest CPC among all the countries, so we will be targeting USA. And you can now click on device and select device. Okay, device, and select desktop. So what I am telling you, selecting desktop, it will then see the queries which are giving you the results. Okay, so desktop EPMV always high. As you can see, it this desktop EPMV is always higher than the mobile and tablets. So you need to focus on the desktop users more than the mobile. So queries, you will see the queries of desktop users. So just enhance the content of those queries, and make sure you can able to rank on desktop queries more than mobile queries. Then it will boost the your EPMV, overall EPMV. Okay, so what I have covered that. Okay, this one also, just you need to set the here. First you need to go to settings, and you will find this option. Okay, so just don't do 100% here, just do 98 or 99% of traffic should go to Ezoic, and the 1 or 2% traffic should go to your normal ads like AdSense or any other Media.net or any other network. Okay, so 1 or 2%, because it will allow them to fight for the placeholders or places where it can show the ads. Okay, so somewhere my Google AdSense ads might beat the Ezoic ads, and somewhere Ezoic only will win all the ad slots. So if you have this option, then at least they will compete. They both will compete on ads. What ad will they will serve? Okay, so always the higher ad will win. Okay, so with Google AdSense, your Ezoic will always give you higher earning. Okay, otherwise Google AdSense won't show, but in some cases Google AdSense will beat the Ezoic ads, and that is why then you will get more earnings from Google AdSense than Ezoic. Okay, and this is one more thing. You will find this in monetization tabs. At the bottom, very bottom, you will see a charity option. Add charity, just disable this option. This option is causing speed issues or speed. It will increase the speed, lower the speed. It will lower your website speed. I am very sure these ads will lower your website speed. Okay, so I have disabled this option for my my website to get good speed. Otherwise this is really causing the speed to get low. Okay, I have seen the page Google page speed insights, and there I have seen these ad charity ads popping just over my content. Okay, and they are not bringing any income also, and they are showing up in the just above the H1 tag, below the H1 tag, and I am just like, I am not getting normal ads, and they are showing charity ads. Okay, charity ads, and these are causing the earnings to get lower. Okay, because my ads now not getting placed. Okay, so these are my tips. You can have your own tips. Okay, so this is the Ezoics. Those who did not read the articles of Ezoic itself, they are giving you, then you get low EPMV from this, not reading correctly the articles. Like many did not read, but you should place at least 10 to 11 10 to 15 ads. This Ezoic recommends, but I recommend you to place 35 plus placeholders. They allow I guess 40 to 50 placeholder, but you should be putting 35 plus placeholders, or make sure the most bigger means your content should be 2000 to 3000 most highest words content. Open that article and add all those placeholders in your content. Okay, so this way it will add to all the content. Review your all the highest traffic articles, and check the positions of your placeholder if they are not having any ads in between the content or there. Okay, so this way you can also do that. Also, this is what if you have AdSense or any other network, just wrap those ads. Okay, wrap those ads in Ezoic code, so it will not it will maintain the EPM, what I am telling you, that otherwise Zoe can will ignore, I guess, but will do, but it will just safeguard your ad Google ad codes also, maybe. Okay, so it is also important. You don't need to apply for mediation, because you are already placed your ad code in Ezoic code, inside the Ezoic codes. So maybe, I don't know, maybe Ezoic will protect those ad codes, ads that are shown in AdSense also, maybe. Okay, because Ezoic do safeguard those ads they place in your website. Okay, safe container, they use a safe container tag, I guess, I don't know, they use a safe tag container to safeguard any bad click or any valid click. So I have also done that. Okay, so you can wrap your already existing ad codes inside the Ezoic ad code. Okay, also this is very important. Yes, speed is the one factor that increase your earning, or if you have low very less speed, your EPM would be low, because it takes time to load the page first. Okay, and in that time not even ads will load, because your site is not loaded properly, so ads also won't load. Okay, but if you have a good hosting and your site is loading properly, then ads will properly load and faster load, ad will faster load. Okay, and as if you read on, if you applied to their test, they also said that ad is counted only if it is shown in 1 second, if it is shown till 1 second. Okay, so you should more ads will show if your speed is good enough to show those ads. So caching, what caching do is it will store a static version of your website. Okay, and show that to the users, repeated users or users. Okay, so your normal site won't get affected. Okay, so it will cache all the it will make a static page of your website, and it will show that version of your website until you update your content, but it will show that version of website, and it will load faster. Okay, caching will make things load faster. It is the same way, if you it is same browser caching technique, but it is online technique, I guess. Okay, means if you surf an internet, if you surf a website and again you load that page, your browser caches that page, stores some items of that page. So when you open that same website 2-3 times, then it will load more faster. Okay, same like Facebook, first time it loads faster, Facebook load very slower, but once you open the Facebook page 2-3 times, 4 times, Facebook, your browser will store cache, okay, and then it will automatically load those items once you request the site to load. So it will reduce the burden on website, browser, or anything. Okay, so this way is also. So Ezoi caching, apply Ezoi caching from speed tab. Here is the speed tab, bottom you will see the Ezoi caching. Okay, so this is the ways I have told you, and if you guys like this video, then hit like, subscribe, and if you want more these type of videos, then I actually don't publish videos more often because of I don't have much time. I am focusing on writing the content, not here publishing the videos, but still I will publish if there is a need of that video. And now it is a need of that video because many of the Ezoi users getting low EPMV. Okay, or lastly, if you are eligible to apply for premium ads, apply to premium ads as soon as possible. They will boost the EPMV for sure. Thank you guys, and subscribe to the Sleeping Owl if you want. If you don't want, then you will subscribe one day. Thank you guys.